Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet a basic flower. For this flower, you are going to need to know how to do a single crochet, a double crochet, a treble crochet, and a double treble crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches. So to get started, we are going to chain 4. And in the last chain of the row, we are going to work a double crochet, followed by working 10 more double crochets in the same chain space. Sorry, 11. You want to have a total of 12 double crochets all within the same area. Once you have all 12, you will join with a slip stitch. Then you will chain 3. You will skip 1 stitch. And then you will single crochet in the following stitch. Again is chain 3, skip 1 stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, and you'll repeat this all the way around the flower base. When you get to your last one, you will chain 3 and you will join with a slip stitch into the previous row where you had started your original chain just to close everything off. Then you will snip your yarn and fasten off. And we are going to change colors. Now keep in mind, if you don't want to change colors, you don't have to, but for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to change the colors. So we fasten off and we are going to grab our next color. And in one of the chain 3 spaces, it doesn't matter which one you start in, we are going to chain 3. Then we will work all within the same stitch, a double crochet, a treble crochet, a double treble crochet, which means you're going to loop the yarn around your hook 3 times, followed by chaining 3 and joining with a slip stitch at the end of that chain 3, then working a double treble crochet, then a treble crochet, and then a double crochet, followed by chaining 3, and joining with a slip stitch. So that is one petal of the leaf. So let's do this again. We are going to single crochet into the next chain and then chain 3, work a double crochet, a treble crochet, and then a double treble crochet, followed by chaining 3, and then slip stitching into the bottom of that chain, and then we're going to work back down. So it's a double treble crochet, a treble crochet, a double crochet, then a chain 3, and then join with a slip stitch. So in the next stitch, we are going to join with a slip stitch, chain 3, double crochet, double treble crochet, and then treble crochet. Sorry, treble crochet, then double treble crochet. I'm getting my things confused. Chain 3, join with a slip stitch at the end of that bottom of the chain 3. And then we're going to work back down again. And we're going to just keep continuing this all the way in the round. Now the one thing to remember while doing this is how many times you need to loop the yarn around your needle. So for a double crochet, it's 1, a treble crochet, it's 2, and a double treble crochet, it's 3. So just kind of, it goes 1, 2, 3, then 3, 2, 1. Now that we have all of our leaves, we're going to join with a slip stitch, and then we're going to do the ruffly bit in the center. Now we're going to be working in the double crochet post. So it'll be down and up, you have the post, you're going to single crochet, then chain 5, then go into the next post, single crochet through it and chain 5, and you're just going to do that all the way around the flower. And this will end up giving your flower some beautiful texture to it. There we go. We have finished our basic flower. Hopefully you're able to follow along with this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.